Hello friends, welcome to my channel Tech HD. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can install Kali Linux on VMware Workstation 17 Pro. So let's start the video. First of all, you need two things. You have to install VMware Workstation on your Windows and you need the ISO file of Linux. I have already installed the VMware Workstation in my PC. I will give the link to the description box. You can watch it and you can install it from that video. First of all, we need to open Google Chrome. Here we need to type download Kali Linux ISO file. After pressing enter, it will take you to the Linux official website so you can download it. First of all, you need to click installer image. From here, if you go down, you can see the ISO file. So it is 4 GB ISO file, 64-bit. So we have to click on the download. So as you can see, the download has started. So we have to wait for some time to finish the download. So let's wait for some time. So the download has almost finished. So now you can see the download has finished. Now I have to minimize it. Now we have to open the virtual workstation, VMware workstation. Now here you have to click on create a new virtual machine. You have to click next. From here you have to click next. From here you have to select on Linux. Now from here you have to select the version. So here I will select the latest version, Debian 12 64-bit. It will be on the top. So you have to find it. Here you can see Debian 12 64-bit. So you have to select on it. Now click next. So from here you have to give the location where you want to save the virtual machine. So I'll save it in my drive F. I have to make a folder there. So in drive F, I have to make a folder there. So I'll make a folder and I will rename it Kali Linux VMware machine or Kali Linux VMware. I will select OK. Now I'll select next. Now from here I have to give the size of the disk. So I'll make it 25 GB. I have to select next. Now I have to select on customize hardware. So if we click on customize hardware here, we can increase the processor, we can increase the RAM size. So I'll increase the logical processor, I'll increase it to. Now from here I have to give the ISO file. So I will have to click on the CD or DVD. From here you have to select on use ISO file. To click browse, now you have to go to the download where we kept the Linux ISO file. So you have to select here and you have to click close here. Now you have to click finish. From here you can see there is a option came here. So you have to click on power on the virtual machine. So you have to click on power on this virtual machine. So as you can see, from here you have to click on graphical install. So you have to use your keyboard and you have to press enter. Now it will take some time to install. From here you have to select your language. So I will select English here. Now from here you have to select your region. So I'll select my region. I have to select the country language. So I'll select United States. Keyboard layout will be American. So I'll select continue. So as you can see, the installation has started. So we need to wait for some time. Now from here you have to give the host name of this device. So I'll keep it Kali. I have to click next. Now I don't want to give any domain name, so I have to click continue. Now I have to give the full name of the user who will use this device. So I'll give my channel name Tech HD. I have to click continue. Now I have to give the username, so I have to click continue. From here I have to give the login password. So I'll give a password here. I have to confirm the password. Now I have to select continue. Now it will take some time. So here you can use the entire disk or you can make 2 or 3 partitions. So I'll make entire disk here. So I'll select next. Here I will also click continue. Now I'll select continue here also. Now I have to select continue as well. Now from here the partition will be formatted and will make a new installation. So you have to select on yes. Now you have to select continue. So now the installation will start again. Now I'll keep the setting as it is by default and I'll continue. So it is finalizing the installation and the final installation has started. So it will take some time. So we have to wait for some time. So the installation has almost finished. So you have to select on DEV/SD. So you have to select it and you have to select continue. So I have to select continue here. So after that it will take a restart. Now it is booting. So you have to wait for 5-6 seconds. Now it will start the Linux. So as you can see, it is booting up. So you have to give our username and password here. So we have to give take as and the password which we given earlier. So you have to give our password. So we have to wait for some time. So as you can see, we have successfully installed Kali Linux on VMware Workstation 17 Pro. So thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.